disappointed.
No.
Oh gosh. I was gonna film this during the day, but I ran out of time, so we're just gonna do it now. Okay, so like I said, I'm gonna be customizing a pair of jeans today. I am very, very excited to do this. For these pair of jeans, I'm gonna be painting and doing some hand stitching, which I am excited but also very nervous about. So, inspiration, right? I was going through Pinterest as always. I found this artwork by this artist. Basically, it's just a Vogue cover that's like painted over, you know, with different designs. And as you can see, the designs are Louis Vuitton and there's some Takashi Murakami. I also found a second one. This one doesn't have any Louis Vuitton. It's solely Takashi Murakami. As you can see, the logos and the artwork is kind of like messy in a way. And I kind of wanted to do that on jeans. So that is what, wow, my laptop's giving me good lighting. Anyways, so these are the jeans that I'm working with. It's just these regular pair of thrifted jeans. I have not worn them yet, so I decided if haven't worn them, maybe it's just because they're too boring. I'm planning on just using fabric paint, but I also wanted to make my own patches. So I have this random scrap of denim that I cut from this old pair of jeans that I do not wear at all anymore and I will never wear. As you can see, I already started, but these are gonna be my patches that I'm gonna sew onto the jeans. I don't know, I just thought it would look cool, like the sewn on edges and the patchwork. That's where I'm going right now. I don't know, I'm really excited. I really hope these turn out great because I've been dying to wear some more customized stuff. So yeah, that's just what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna start by tracing the designs onto the pair of jeans and hope for the best. I'll either see you guys when I'm tracing my design or maybe when all the tracing is over, just because I feel like it's the boring part of the process, but yeah, that's it. I'll see you when I see you. So before I started tracing my designs, I suddenly decided that I wanted to add a rip to my jeans because I just like having rips in my jeans. So as you can see, I'm just marking where I want the rip to be, cutting it, and then using a tweezer to pull out the threads. For some reason, it took me forever to pull out all the threads, but eventually I was able to do it, and this is what the rip looks like. I look super relieved because it took me forever to do that. And then I took some sandpaper to finish off the rip to make it look more rough around the edges, and yeah. So this is what it looks like before. See how it's like just a straight cut? I took some sandpaper and I tweezed out some more threads, and now the edge is more like frayed and not as like plain looking, so I'm gonna hope this looks good. Here is the rip. I'm actually really glad that I ripped it. It looks really nice. Ah! Good job, Sam, good job. Don't mind the mess in my room. I started tracing. I usually do this with a ballpoint pen, which I'm well aware isn't a good method to use, but I'm gonna paint over it with fabric paint, so I'm assuming it's fine. Basically, I'm just taking my stencils that I made and then just like laying them on the jeans and tracing them out with the pen. So like as you can see, this is where we're gonna have some of Takashi's flowers here. This is where the Louis Vuitton patch is gonna be sewn on, and then I'm going on to this leg, and then I still have all of that like to do. Thing is, the art style, it's not very like precise and clean. These aren't gonna be like exact outlines that I'm gonna follow. I'm probably gonna be more like free-handed when I actually go into paint. Yeah, I'm getting excited. Okay, I just finished tracing. I traced out most of the things. The only things that I haven't traced out yet is the placement of the patches, but I'm probably not gonna trace those. I want to show you the layout. I'm so excited. I'm just kidding. I haven't customized anything in so long, and I'm glad I'm actually doing something with my time now. but let me show you what I have done. We start on the top of the jeans. Like I said, we have a lot of Takashi's artwork here. This messy thing is a Louis Vuitton logo. I know it looks like, okay, look at, if you look at the actual Louis Vuitton logo, like it's definitely not close. I freehanded that, but it's supposed to look like it's freehanded, not exact. You know, it gives it a little bit of flair. This is where a big patch is going to be. Then we have this leg of like smaller designs. Then we have more of Takashi, Louis Vuitton, and then there's going to be another patch right here. And then we have all of this, and then there's going to be more patches here, but this is what it looks like, and I'm so excited. So far things are looking really good, and I don't want to mess it up. I really don't want to mess it up. Yeah, all that's really left next is painting, which is the scariest part. Okay, I'll see you when I see you. Look what I did. I was trying to cut out some like paper to put under my jeans because right now I'm like painting a white base on my jeans, right? And I'm like cutting this, but then apparently, you see this? White paint on it. And then look. Look at what I did. Look it. Why? Okay, honestly, I mean, it's bad. I don't know what to do about this though. Why? It was going so well. It was going so well. Oh my. Well, at least I can show you guys what I'm doing. That's how far I am. That's what it looks like right now. I'm gonna try to fix this mess that I made and hope for the best. Hello, people. I am back with another update on the jeans. This is what it looks like right now. My only concern is that these designs are too clean. Hopefully, I can make the designs look more messy, which sounds weird, but I'm trying to go for that free-handed look, you know? Yeah, that's where I'm at right now. Whew. I'm finally back, and it's been a couple of days since I last touched these jeans. I just got a new set of fabric paints, which I'm very excited to try. Now they're here, and I'm gonna actually paint the jeans. I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna start painting now, and I'll show you guys a montage, I guess.
Oh my god, it's Krayshawn. And we sound like Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada.
Oh my gosh, I look like a mess. I just came out of the shower, so that's why my hair looks so horrible. Welcome to the last day of break. Yes, it is the last day of break, and I am nowhere finished with these jeans, which that was my goal for break, to finish at least one custom, but it's okay. Last night, I got a good amount of progress done. I have almost all of the left leg of the jeans done. So this is what I have done so far, as you can see. Very nice. So I was doing this part of the jeans, and I was stuck in the eyes because they just weren't looking good. And eventually, I just started playing around with like white to make the borders messier, and I started using like instead of just painting it straight up red, I added some like blacks and blended that in, so it's like, I don't know how to describe it, but it just looks better. That's where I am there. I'm going back over here and, you know, adding the messy details, as you can see with this, one of the Takashi flowers. I don't know, I'm just really enjoying this. I mean, I would love to have this done by the end of today. I'm starting really early today, so that's nice, but we'll see. I definitely want to have this leg of the pant completely done by the end of today. So that's really my goal. Yeah, I'm just super excited to see how this turns out, because this is the most I've had to be like artistically involved. That's all I have to say. On to more montages, but yeah. Friday, people. I'm pretty sure, I don't know if I already updated you guys, but break ended like 5 days ago and I'm still not done with these jeans, but that's okay. I know for a fact that I do want to finish them today because tomorrow I am having a photo shoot with a friend of mine and I thought this would be the perfect opportunity to wear my jeans and show them off. I kind of forgot to film, I just got so ahead of myself, but I'm already sewing in the patches to my jeans. So I don't know if I already explained this, but in addition to painting on the jeans, I also wanted to make denim patches, like custom denim patches, and sew those on just to add more I really don't know, dimension, is that the right word? I have these pair of jeans, like I'll show you, they're right here. These pair of jeans that I've never worn and probably never will, especially now. I cut off a big patch of them. So I cut some of that and then I painted on it and I made these cool little patches and I'm basically just sewing them on to the jeans. So I want to show you what I have done. I actually already sewed on one patch. Like I said, I kind of got carried away, but this is what they look like right now. The painting took me forever just because I've had to layer on. I messed up and I don't know, like I said, I was kind of struggling a bit at first, but yeah. So I just want to show you the patch. This is the patch. It's definitely not clean, but that's kind of the whole look I'm going for. This is the patch. You can see how it just adds an extra something. You know, it was definitely not necessary. I could have just painted this straight on, but I chose not to. So this is the patch up close. I just hand sewed it. That's why the stitches are so messy. I kind of messed up over here and I had to like fold in the patch, but that's okay. I have 3 more of these patches that are going on this leg of the jeans. The jeans will be done after like weeks and weeks of work, but I'm kind of worried though that I don't know how to style these because they're just so vibrant and colorful. I just like, of course I could just play it safe and just wear a plain white t-shirt, but it's just not it's just not as special. And that's usually my go-to with these jeans. I always just like wear a solid t-shirt, but I want to challenge myself. I guess it's gonna be montages now until I actually finish the jeans and yeah. I'm so, I don't know, very proud of myself. I'm kind of out of breath from my runway walk. If you haven't noticed, I finished my jeans. Yeah, I'm so happy about how they turned out. I think they're honestly so cool. Like, look at these. Look at that. It's just so cool. Anyways, that is today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching the process of me making a custom. I really liked filming this process of me making these jeans and all that, so maybe in the future I will make another video of me making another custom clothing piece. But yeah, I'm just so happy about how these turned out, and I guess I will see you when I see you, which should be soon. But yeah, bye guys, bye.